welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lindsay, and I am back today with yet another synthetic wig review. And yes, we have another purple wig going on. Okay, I'm really feeling this one. This one is super cute. I don't know if it's because of the color or the curls, I don't know, but it is period. Okay, I did receive this wig from Lativ on Amazon, so make sure you guys check the description box below for the link for this wig and any details that I might leave out, because y'all know I be forgetting sometimes. But anywho, let's go ahead and jump into the video. So as you guys saw from the previous clip, I did show you the construction of this wig. This wig is a pull-on, pull-off wig, so it's not much to it. It has an adjustable strap. This is originally a middle part, so it had the little lace where you can cut it off, which I did. And then it only had one comb. I assume it's supposed to be two combs. The comb is over here on this side, so there should be another one over here, but there wasn't, so I assume maybe they just forgot to sew it on there. I'm not too sure, but I mean, it's workable for me. I didn't even use the comb over here, so it's cool. So again, this is from Lativ store on Amazon. I don't know if it's Lativ or Lativ, I have no idea, but this is their long, colorful, wavy wig. It is synthetic. This is a like purple pink ombre wig, a purple pink gradient effect. It is 22 inches and it retails for $22.99. Now they do have a couple more. They have an ombre brown and they have an ombre green wig. So if you are interested in one of those, of course you can get one of those from their store. This wig is super cute to just play in or use it for cosplay, whatever the case might be. I'm really loving the whole pink and purple gradient ombre effect. Like, that is super cute. Now I did show you guys how the wig looks straight out the bag before I brushed it out. Now this is how it looks brushed out, and I really like the way it looks brushed out. It was cute before you brushed it out, but I think it just gives it a little bit more body to it after it's brushed out. Now I did forget to mention that this wig does shed a little bit, nothing too much, because when I brushed it out, I did look at my brush, so it does shed, but of course that's nothing to be, you know, wowing about, because it is a synthetic wig. So I just wanted to throw that out there. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how it looks in the front. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. So super cute. Like I had stated, it's originally a middle part, but I'm not feeling the middle part, so I swooped it to the side, and I like it like this. It's super cute like this. Yes, ma'am. This is so cute. So I want to thank the company for reaching out to me and asking me to review this wig. I really do appreciate it. It is super cute. I really wasn't expecting to like it as much as I did. You know how you see a picture of a wig and you're like, oh, I might like that, but once you put it on, it's a whole different story. It's either that way or this way, and I really do love it. So you guys let me know down in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the color, the texture, the length, all that good stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you're a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one.